Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the Red One TV. Today I have another wig review slash tutorial today, and this one is the newest Outre Melted Hairline Swirlista lace front. I have her in the style, I think it's the Swirlista Swirl 102, and I do have her in the color Ginger Auburn. This is a deeper, wider hand side lace hairline with the 5-inch deep part C-shape parting. Anyway, this is how she looks. Y'all, gingerish, very gingerish. Look at her. Look at the wave, the deep wave pattern you got on her. Very big head friendly, of course, as all melted hairlines are. Look at how curly the hairline is around here. I'm about to straighten it out because I am about to get ready to style it. But you guys, it is very gorgeous on me when I tried it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and like style her up a little bit and get ready to install her, but in a glueless way. Oh, just so you know, this is how she looks. And this is the color right here up front is the one that I have. Also does come in other different colors, so you can definitely wear this glueless, which is amazing. But you know, even if you can wear stuff glueless, it's just that you still want to keep it secure on your head to like keep it tighter. So don't hesitate to like get you like a wig grip band or you know anything to like help secure your wig. But these are the other different colors, and it does come in like a lot of other different colors at the very bottom. So this is the Swirl 102. It is 28 inches long, HD lace. I'm loving it, you guys. This is one of their newest. And it's like the cap construction is, you know, very, very different now. So, yeah, I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. But I'm about to style up. Okay, she is ready. I'll just hop on my edges down. And I'm ready to apply her. Okay guys, so this is what the cap construction looks like. So there's the 5-inch deep lace C-shaped parting with the elastic band. This is what the cap looks like. Big comb in the back with 2 adjustable hooks here, and there's also 2 combs in the front. So yeah. pretty neat. I messed up on this side. I needed to pull the cap up just a little bit further, but it looks really good. And I always wanted a ginger colored wig because I wanted different colored baby hairs. But you guys, I did purchase this unit from, oh crap, where did I get this from? ebonyline.com. Because Elevate Styles was out of this color. They were doing pre-orders and I had it in the basket and I was gonna purchase it, but I found it on ebonyline.com. So you guys definitely need to cop this color. This color is beautiful. And I'm talking about for all season long. All right, you guys. Like, subscribe, and share. If you like this unit, please hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and let me know what other wigs that you guys want to see me sport next. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.